Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter atomic structure, and this is our part 14. So in this part we are going to learn the elements from 1 to 30, their electronic configuration and their structures. So the first element is hydrogen. Hydrogen electronic configuration is only one. In part 12 we have learned that in each shell how many electrons are sufficient. So according to that we are going to see this electronic configuration, and the structure will be, this point is neutron plus proton, and the structure will be like this. Over here is the first electron, that is 1. Helium is 2. First we'll write First we will write the electronic configuration and symbol, then we'll see the structure. Lithium is 2 comma 1, because in first shell only 2 electrons are allowed. Beryllium is 2 comma 2. Boron is 2 comma 3. Then carbon is 2 comma 4. Nitrogen is 2 comma 5. Oxygen is 2 comma 6, and fluorine is 2 comma 7. Now symbol is neon. Electronic configuration is 2 comma 8. Now sodium and A. In sodium we'll write 2 comma 8 comma 1. Will not take 2 comma 9 because the second shells allowed the sufficient electrons that could be adjusted is only 8. So we'll shift 1 electron to third shell. Magnesium is 2 comma 8 comma 2. Aluminium is 2 comma 8 comma 3. Silicon is 2 comma 8 comma 4. Phosphorus is 2 comma 8 comma 5. Now the structure. Helium structure would be this neutron plus proton, and these two are electron. Then lithium is this 3 electrons. Beryllium is like this. Boron is this, and then carbon is this. Like this, sequence wise we have to draw the electrons. This is nitrogen. Oxygen is this. This is the fluorine. Then structure of neon. This is the structure of neon. Then there is the structure of sodium. We'll take 3 shells because of this electronic configuration, the limited amount of electrons. Now magnesium. This is magnesium. Aluminium is this one. Two comma 8 comma 3. Silicon is this. Two comma 8 comma 4. And phosphorus is this is phosphorus. I hope you've understood till this. Then let's move towards the elements from sulfur to zinc. From 16 to 30 element. The 16th one is sulfur. 17th is chlorine. 18th is argon. 19th is potassium. 20th is calcium. 21 is scandium. 22 is titanium. 23 is vanadium. 24 is chromium. 25 is manganese. The electronic configuration of sulfur is 2, 8, 6. Electronic configuration of chlorine is 2, 8, 7. Electronic configuration of argon is 2, 8, 8. Electronic configuration of potassium is 2, 9. 2, 8, 1. 2, 8, 1. Calcium is 2, 8, 2. The structure of sulfur is this neutron plus proton. is this. Now chlorines is this one. Like this. Argon's structure is this. Now in potassium we have taken 2, 8, 8, 1. We have to take 4 shells over here. One thing in this is the sufficient electrons in case in the third shells are more, but we are taking 8 because the fourth shell is not stable till now. When we'll make this the fourth shell stable, now it is stable. In scandium we'll take 2, 8, 9, 2. So like that, for making the fourth cell stable, we have to take 2 electrons in it. So if you'll observe, you'll get to know. Two shells over here, 2, 8, 8, comma 2. Now let's move towards the scandium. Now we have made it stable. Now we'll take 2, 8, 9, 2. The capacity of third shell is 18. So we'll take more numbers in third shell only till it becomes 18. Then we'll continue in fourth shell. Titanium would be 2, 8, 10, 2. Vanadium would be 2, 8, 11, 2. Chromium would be 2, 8, 12, 2. Manganese would be 2, 8, 12, 2. Sorry, this is 13. I'm so sorry. The structure would be like this. The structure of titanium is now I'll not draw the structure because you just have to repeat. The structure of this would be in first shell we have to take 2 electrons, in third shell we have to take, in second shell we have to take 8 electrons, in this third shell we have to take 11 electrons, and this last shell every time we have to take 2 electrons as it is stable, And when we'll complete this till 18, then we'll continue this in another, like from 3. Now let's see of other elements. The remaining 5 elements. Remaining 5 are iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 14, 2. 2, 8, 15, 2. 2, 8, 16, 2. 2, 8, 17, 2. 2, 8, 18, 2. Now we'll draw structure as it is. Like I'll tell of the zinc in first shell, it would be like 2 electrons. In second shell, there would be 8 electrons. In third shell, there would be 18 electrons. And in last shell, there would be 2 electrons. Like this. Now, this sufficient electrons of third shell was till 18 only, and this is now total stable. Now, from the next element, it's not now but afterwards in higher classes, from the element after zinc, we'll take 2, 8, 18, 3. Like this. I hope you've understood the whole structure. Till this. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link. Like this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check it. Thank you for watching. In part 15, we'll learn more points. Till that, thank you.